front of me is OUKITEL OKT1, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply app layout on this Android. You need to start by finding Play Store and opening it. Then tap on the search bar, type in iOS launcher and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now you need to choose while using the app Allow and Allow. Then click on Home button. Over here select Always. Then go into Devices Settings. And tap on Apps and Notifications. Following that, scroll down, choose Advanced and click on Default Apps. Now select Home app. To apply iOS Launcher, just click on it. As you can see, after clicking on it, app layout was applied successfully on my tablet. But you can always switch between those layouts by going into the same default app settings and choosing Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!